Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can repost a thread that shows up on your feed on Threads app. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, you can find the repost icon on the third below the post. Tap on it and then select the repost option. And that's it. This is how you can repost a thread on Threads app.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.